Welcome. In this video, we'll see a template of participation or appreciation certificate in LaTeX. You can download this template from the link given in the description box of the video. Once you download, make sure that you have one class file with the name of chcertificate, one Excel file, and one main text file. Apart from this, there is one folder, GFX. This folder contains several background images, logos, and one signature. Remember, you don't need to change anything in the CS certificate class file. Just open main text file. This is the source file of the template. This template supports several font sizes. For example, 12, 14, 17, and 20 point. This template can be used in landscape or portrait orientation. Default font is Times. Here for this certificate, I have used 17 point font size. If you want to use a portrait, then you need to use a portrait option. One point you should remember while using portrait orientation. In this case, you need to use a smaller font size compared to landscape. At this place, you can put the name of the folder where you have saved all the images. Then background images. You can just write the name of the background images. Here I have BG1 to BG8. Using this template, we can create certificates for all the participants. For this, we need Excel data. I have already created this one. I'll open. In Excel, you can save all the information related to participants. Here I have written a few names. In first column, name. Second column, institute, university, and place. And mode of presentation, oral poster. If you want to add some additional information, then you can write in other column. Once you write the information, save the file in CSV format. Remember this is very important. Go to file, save as, and save your file in the working folder. Here there are several options. You need to select CSV, this one. In the next step, we need to add this file to our text file. At this place, just write the name of the CSV file and extension. In the first curly bracket, you need to label the database. You can write any name. With this name, we will call the CSV file. Then go to document environment, write begin certificate, database label name. This one should come at this place. And in this curly bracket, you need to write each assigned name, institute, and presentation. Remember, each assigned name should be same in Excel and text file. Otherwise, it will not run. For printing the information related to each assigned name, we need to give a name with the command. It is better to write the same name with the command backslash and assigned name. Otherwise, you can write any name. It will not matter, but it should not be same. Each assigned command should be different. Then you need to put logo, conference title, logo, organization name, and other information. These things we have seen in the last video. Okay, so I am not going to explain. Only this one I'll explain. This symbol you can change at this place. It varies from 1 to 196, so you can opt any number. There are different symbols for each number. And just before end document, you need to write end certificate. At this place, you can put the convener, organizer, or chairman, or any other person name. If you have signature, then you can upload using signature command, signature position, image size, and image name. And here at this place, you can put the assigned command name for printing name, institute, and presentation name, institute, presentation. At these places, information will be printed from the Excel file. You can set the color and font. This is boldface. And this command has been used for styled font, as you can see. So this is the template which you can create easily. This template also works in portrait mode. I have created one. Everything will be same except font size. It's not running because this CSV file is not in the working folder. I'll copy and paste here. Signature name is sign only. So this is the portrait certificate. Here we can see certificates have been generated for all the participants. Name, place, mode of presentation, first name, second, third, fourth, poster, and fifth. There are five participants. All certificates can be printed. So it's very simple and you can generate bulk certificates. That's all. Thanks for watching.